So who am I and what do I do? Well, so before I moved into sustainability as a consultant, I actually spent 10 years in brand and marketing, which is also what you guys from the Authority Accelerator, how you got to know me, because I actually started a program doing marketing for people or helping them build their brands. Today, I work very much as a consultant for large corporations to NGOs and anything in between. So I work with Greenpeace, Extinction Rebellion, WWF, all the way up to Hitachi, HMD, which is like Nokia's licensee. So all of this knowledge I've now taken and wrapped into a program for sustainability managers that are entering into this career path, and they're standing there like, what the heck? There is so much compliance. There's so many things to do. I have so many people inside organizations a little bit against me. So I just need a helping hand. So I am now that person that helps them create a sustainability strategy and keep them accountable and give them all the tools to go in and smash it in the business they're in. Before the Authority Accelerator, I spent almost 10 years in brand and marketing as a producer slash project manager. I moved from Denmark to London 10 years ago. And, I've worked on all sorts of brands and I've been really, really privileged to do that. It's been super fun. I just always felt like I didn't land on the right shelf. I felt like I was more like, fall on the fire of a problem that exists, which is we are selling all of these things that the world really don't need. And I thought, why don't I use my skills in communication and also operational kind of skills that I acquired along the way to get into sustainability. So I did that. It was quite a journey to, I went to Cambridge University to study. I did a lot of qualifications around reporting and disclosures before I then leaped sideways. But I think you learn so many things in your career, right? And my brand marketing is something I will always take with me, and it's definitely something that I'm still having with me as I'm working in sustainability, either as a consultant or now with people when I'm helping them become a better version of themselves in their role as sustainability managers. So what does my life look like after I enrolled into the AA? Is really, really different to the path I was on before. I've recently had to make a leap of faith and just say, do you know what, I can actually do this. And I think when you trust your gut and you trust what you do, you can actually do much more than you think you're capable of. So I would balance sometimes having to do some communication and marketing, which I didn't mind, while I was also doing jobs within sustainability, because you're working for yourself and you need to pay the bills, but doing this path has just made me so much more focused. And I think it's made me better in my own role as a sustainability leader as well, because as you're dealing with other people, you get all these questions that you have to reflect on, which just makes you even better when you're then going out and being a consultant. I don't think, for me, it's never been I only want to teach and I only want to do my program, which I'm very much leveraging the knowledge inside the Authority Accelerator. But I want to be a practitioner in my field so that I can keep teaching people, because it's a field that just progresses incredibly fast, right? But yeah, it's different. It's different in the fact that I get to teach, and it's something I know ever since university I was teaching as well, right? And I've always loved it, and I get that opportunity now. So I'm still really early in my program, and I know sometimes you guys have like people that did like, 30 people in their pop. I had 3 people in my pop while I was working a full-time job, and I was just incredibly busy, but I was really happy about that. It gave me a test platform. It got me to like learn what I shouldn't put into my program, plus doing all of my ICA calls, which by the way, I've done 90 of them now. So I've really done my duty on them. And yeah, I think it's given me, obviously, proven that I can build a program that gives value to people. I have just started my second pop today with another 3 people in it, and it's a nice test platform while I'm building my SOP. So I'm just like, transitioning into doing that full time. It's been really, really interesting actually, because not only do I have the people inside the 2 pop programs, but I'm also building a pipeline. I think I didn't really realize that part when I first started in the accelerator. It's almost like you think that you just have the people in the program, but I'm also having a pipeline of people as well. Like I'm speaking to someone in Malawi right now, and they might have 6 people that might join just in one go, right? So it could be all of these like buckets of people just coming in. So I don't see it as one win, but I just see it like a journey of like many wins, and yeah, that can benefit the business in the long run. So for someone who's looking to invest in the AAA program, I think if you're really, really clear that you want to teach and you want to build a business and you're willing to work super hard and you're also willing to learn from someone else because you're not alone in it, which is a pro, but it also means that sometimes you have to just put your guard down and be like, no, other people have done this before you. So like, just trust the process. I think then 100% go for it. I've learned a lot more that I could ever dream of. And to be honest, I said it in the beginning, I completely flunked the first program. Like I went with something I kind of knew was not already like my passion anymore. And I think that was good. I had to park it for a few years and then I came back and I feel like I finally landed on the right shelf. And I'm sure that, yeah, other people can go in and do that as well. So definitely go for it if that's your goal.